whirlpools.
Oh, okay.
So you can just see it happening just down here, look.
Oh, look, there's a whirlpool happening. Sulal. Bunny Sulal.
ஆமாம்மா.
Hello, it's happening there.
So it's 460 feet deep here.
400. Oh my God. 456.
இது அங்கே துள்ளலை அந்த இடத்துல.
Sulal.
So what I'll do is I'll go past,
Right.
turn the boat round and then come back up into it.
Okay.
ஓகே.
Okay? Have you got a spare battery?
என்ன சொல்கிறது?
He's been having it for a while
I
now.
haven't got this spare brush.
Look at that. Look at that.
சுழல். ரெண்டு தண்ணி வந்து சேர்ந்து அந்த இடத்துல சுழல் வருதான்.
It's amazing, isn't it?
ஏன்?
I just said 100.
620 feet now.
Wow.
டெப்த்து 648 அடி ஆழம். இந்த இடத்துல 627 மாறுது அப்படியே. ஒரு அமைதியாக இருக்கு பாருங்க தண்ணி.
Because it's too deep.
There's your column now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So the column's further ahead.
Yeah.
And this is why it flattens off. So it hits the reef, water gets pushed to the surface, flattens the surface up. That's why it's flat here.
Oh, that's why it's flat here?
Yeah.
Right, okay. And is it why it's called whirlpool?
Well, you will actually, on a big tide, see
Right.
proper whirlpools.
Yeah.
Big ones go up to 8 metres across.
Right, okay.
See it all happening.
Yeah. Look at that bay.
Man. Oh, man. It's getting bigger and bigger.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, man.
You wouldn't think 400 feet, well, 350 feet down, you
Yeah.
still get the effect
Yeah.
of the tide coming through.
Big waves. We nearly went down to sea.
So my record is 3.5 360s.
Oh, yeah.
In a whirlpool.
3.5.
The boat spun round.
So you
3.5
just went there like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
And I came out because a lady sat where you are was screaming. "Ah!" And my bell ears were ringing. The one just standing here.
Yes, yeah.
So we're getting pushed back all the time in the
Yeah.
tide.
Yeah.
Appa?
இங்கே பாருங்க நம்ம முன்னாடி பாரு எப்படி சுற்று அந்த சுழல் மாதிரி இருக்கு பாரு. தெரியுதா நம்ம குளத்துல அந்த காலத்தில் இருக்குமே.
Look at that. Look at that.
Amazing, isn't it, nature?
So just
So
to
we
get my...
slide the window open and
Yeah.
you can get out. Hold tight.
Pairing ba?
Hold tight on your Christmas present.
Yes.
கிளியராகவே
Full tight. Flat இருக்கு பாருங்க.
I like
It's lovely, isn't it? Colour.
Yes. This small
Yeah.
things going on the actually surface of the water.
Yeah. Little eddies.
There. சின்ன circle மாதிரி இருக்கு பாரு.
So in the summertime we have lots of seabirds here.
Yeah.
These small fry, they get pushed to the surface
Right.
and they
Okay.
can't swim back down.
Oh, I see.
So the
And
gulls
they
just pick them up.
easy food.
Easy food. A lot of dolphins and porpoises in here as well.
Dolphins here, yeah. If you're lucky, we can see some dolphins today.
I'll take you over to another bit of rough water.
Yeah.